Are you working in R&D? Are you working with electrical motors? Today, you've got many options as to how you can test that setup. Today, we'd like to discuss with Michael how you can maybe take a variety of test and measurement equipment and replace it with this ScopeCorder. So, Michael, explain today what a typical R&D engineer working with an electrical motor would be doing today if this product didn't exist.
Yeah, so in that case, somebody will use a transit recorder or oscilloscope to capture the electrical signals. It will use a separate data recorder to capture physical parameters like temperature and strain and vibration. And in the end, they will need to synchronize the data from the different instruments. It's difficult to do, but also costs a lot of time.
So, Michael, why is a ScopeCorder ideal for motor system testing?
So the ScopeCorder can measure electrical and physical signals, so you can almost do all tasks of all the three instruments in one system. That will not only be cost saving because you only need one piece of equipment. It will also save a lot of time installing the unit because you need to install one. The inputs are isolated, so compared to the oscilloscopes, you don't need the differential probe, so it saves you also a lot of accessories. And also the ease of use of setting up the instrument itself is easier because you only need to configure one instrument and you don't need to take care about synchronization of multiple instruments.
Ease of use because you're only configuring one piece of equipment. Thank you, Michael.